Welcome to Renew 2024. Renew is the biggest event dedicated to traditional crafts in Fukui. Each year in autumn, for 3 days, almost all the workshops and factories dedicated to traditional crafts in the Tannan area open their doors to visitors and share their crafts with the public. During those 3 days, shuttle buses and taxis are available to tour the whole area, and if the weather is with you, you can even rent a bicycle to discover it by yourself. Visitors can hop from one place to another and learn about the crafts through dedicated visits with the artisans, see them at work, or even try hands-on experiences to make their own goods. Once you have created an opening, shape the bottom, and then, for cups and bowls in this case, make the clay rise like this. To shape it even better, fold your hand like a mouth and pinch the clay right in front of you, like this. Then, place your left hand on the side to raise the clay even further. Raise the clay like this until your fingers can't reach the bottom. Then join both your hands like this, fingers pressed together to make this shape, and continue to make the clay turn while shaping it like this. Notice how the rim here is very irregular. To polish it, we're going to use a nameshikawa, a deer's hide. You hold it like this. Pinch the top part with your fingers, like scissors, to achieve this position. Then, place your right hand on the part that's right in front of you and pinch with your index, like this. For the last part, we're going to cut the bowl from the clay with a thread. If you cut like this, the bowl might fall, so there is a precise way to do this step. You firmly hold the thread on one hand, and it is the end that you let go of that will cut the clay. Hold firmly onto your thread, place it in front of the part you want to cut, and let go from one hand. As you let go, pull the thread a little bit horizontally from the end you still hold on to, so that it won't fold onto itself. Fukui is home to 7 traditional crafts: echizen washi, echizen cabinets, echizen blades, echizen lakeware, echizen pottery, wakasa lakewares, and wakasa jade. All of the echizen crafts are in the Tannan area, regrouping Echizen City, Sabae City, and Echizen Town, which makes for a perfect hub of artisans to host an event like Renew. This is the perfect occasion to discover the tradition behind these crafts, of course, but also to learn how each artisan strives to improve its skills and embrace modernity by creating new products adapted to the public's modern taste. For example, echizen cabinets, or echizen tansu, are traditional wooden cabinets used through Japanese history as furniture serving to display one's fortune, but also serving as a symbol of safety, as the quality of the cabinets and the often invisible locks were efficient to protect precious family heirloom and, as an extension, the family itself. Such cabinets were passed down from one generation to the next, but might not fit today's modern tastes. This cabinet was created by the product designer, Mr. Suzuki Keita. We work with designers to create chests that take into account the future of this craft. That's how we start the creation process. in an age where we don't need material goods anymore. What's the future for chests? Are they needed anymore? So, following this thought, this chest was designed as an art cabinet. It is not limited to its original storage function, but also exists as an art piece itself. Also, one of the core elements of chests is to protect precious goods. That's why we not only make chests with locks, but also design the locks themselves. There is a lock incorporated in this chest as well. If you push here, you lock the chest up. We hope to create the chests of tomorrow through these techniques. And if workshops are open, the associated shops are as well. It's the perfect occasion to see the result of each artisan's work. Knowing how an item was made and the effort put into its creation makes it even more so precious and memorable. In addition to these traditional crafts, other industries of historical importance are showcased during Renew. Sabae City, for example, is renowned for its eyewear products, with over 90% of Japanese spectacles produced in the area. By participating in Renew, of course we promote Kiso, our own brand, but we also want to reinstall Sabae as a producer of spectacles, so that when people want to get new glasses, they come here. After visiting us once, people remember us and come back to purchase spectacles. With the Glasses Museum and the several shops across town, the sales have steadily grown from one year to another. When developing accessories from spectacle frames, we try to think of something anyone would like to get as a gift. Something that expresses an emotion. Something that is entertaining. Something that will get out a "wow, so pretty" out of visitors. It's our female staff that designs the colors and the patterns of these products. We started with rings and then branched out with bangles, pendants, pet collars, and so on. Right now, we have 3 types of workshops. You can wrap a spectacle frame to make a bangle, or make pinky rings and bracelets from spectacle frames components. Renew 2024 is now over, but the workshops are still going strong and offer visits as well as hands-on experiences all year round. If you want to discover these industries by yourself, the Tannan area is now more accessible than ever, with a direct Shinkansen connection from Tokyo in about 3 hours, or in about 2 hours from Osaka via Tsuruga. Once in the area, use taxis, buses, or rental bikes to explore the different craft hubs nearby. Come see us in Fukui for a deep dive in Japan's traditional crafts, far away from the crowds.
そうです。こんな感じ？そうですそうです。いやいやいや。はい。